Hi everybody, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. How are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I want to thank you for joining us today on this video. And today we're going to talk about managing multiple homes using HomeZada and why it can make your life so much easier. So let's start off with what we see as different types of multiple homes. Homeowners that use HomeZada, specifically HomeZada Deluxe, to manage their multiple homes, they're looking at managing not only their primary home, but their vacation homes. They're looking at managing, in addition to their primary home, their rental properties or other structures that they may have either on their properties or somewhere else, like a storage unit or a structure like a barn or something to that effect. And they may also look at managing their office details, whether or not they own the office building or not, and they lease it. They actually want to measure and track all the contents in their specific office for a lot of different reasons. Insurance's purposes are the primary though. So what is important in managing multiple homes using HomeZada? So the first thing is, when you think about a home inventory, many of the multiple homes have different contents in them. So if you take vacation homes, the primary home may have one set of contents and the vacation home may have another. You want to make sure that you're managing these details in case there's a theft or some other type of natural disaster that could have happened. You want to make sure that you have that for insurance purposes. And that's very important because you may be, your homes may be far enough away that you require a plane flight. The other thing that you want to do is when you have an inventory, you also want to track the contents in the home because you may decide you want to move contents from one home to another home. And that also enables you to do that. And you can do that really easily. And you can do that with inside HomeZada as well. The other thing to keep in mind when it comes to home inventory is knowing what finishes and design elements that you have. So you know the paint colors, you know the type of granite you have, the cabinets, all these different little details make a big difference, so that if ever you want to redecorate or do specific projects for a particular home, you can look in HomeZada and get that information. Additionally, managing an inventory will help you also manage the details about all of your appliances and your equipment. You'll get the serial numbers, you'll track warranty periods, you'll track when you purchase these items, and that leads into maintaining these different properties. Maintaining equipment and appliances is one area of maintaining these different properties. If you need to perform maintenance tasks for these pieces of equipment and appliances, you can actually track it in HomeZada and know I managed this information and these maintenance tasks for my primary home on these dates, but then I also manage these maintenance tasks for my secondary home on another date. This is also important to keep into consideration. Many people own multiple homes that they may not be in the same time zone, they may not be in the same state, they may not be in the same climate, and they may not be even in the same country. And that may require a different set of maintenance tasks. For instance, a Florida home versus a Minnesota home. A Minnesota home will see extreme winter, a Florida home will not see that. And a Minnesota home may have a basement, a Florida home may not have a basement. So it's important to understand the seasonal requirements of homes when you're managing these details. The other thing to keep in mind, not only just seasonal, but also the different types of materials you have in these homes. Not only do you have different appliances and equipment, but you may have different materials. One home may have stucco, one home may have brick on the exterior. The other thing to keep in mind is you most likely will have different contractors if you happen to have homes in different locations. And tracking those contractors inside HomeZada makes it easier for you to contact those individuals. Let's say if you can't get to that part of the country or that part of the world in a timely fashion. Not to mention, those contractors probably have more skills in their specific geographical location. So making sure you manage those maintenance tasks makes it really easy. And you can also do this for your rental properties. So that's also really important because you want to make sure that those properties are running smoothly for your tenants. So keeping those schedules is really important. The other thing to keep in mind is when you use HomeZada, managing projects. So maybe you need to repair something, maybe you want to remodel everything. Knowing what project you did where and managing those details will make it easy. I know some people who actually live in one part of the country, they buy a second home in another part of the country, and they are managing a remodel project remotely. And that adds an element of challenge. So HomeZada can make that a whole lot easier with its project pieces. The other thing to keep in mind is with HomeZada, and if you have multiple homes in various international geographies, HomeZada's fields and setup is always in English. And what I mean by that is the Americanized English. However, the fields are customizable once you enter in data about these properties, and our users today can enter in data about their specific location in the native language. So if they have a home that they own either in Spain or Mexico, they can put things in Spanish. If they have a home in the UK, they can change things to the UK version of our English language. And yes, we have different English words that we use. And then same thing for any other type of location. The other thing to keep in mind with these locations is if there is different currency that is used. For instance, if there's a peso in Mexico, if there is a euro in Europe, if there's the pound in London, and so on and so forth, those currency reflections are inside HomeZada. So that is something that can be used by people who have homes that are in international geographies, and each property can have a different currency. So that's also very important. So these are just several areas of how using HomeZada to manage multiple homes makes any homeowner's life so much easier. And it all is in the palm of your hand with your mobile phones or on your desktop, and you can access your systems either way. So keep that in mind. It makes actually managing these multiple homes really easy. I invite you to sign up for HomeZada Deluxe if you are a multiple home owner. If you have any questions about our product and how I can help you, I invite you to email us at info@homezada.com, and you can see it right here. So please feel free to contact us, and we can help you with managing those multiple homes, and we can make your life a whole heck of a lot easier.